everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll be sharing with you guys some amazing eyeliners. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Before starting a video, a quick disclaimer that this is not a sponsored video. I'll be sharing eyeliners which I tested on myself and which I think can be a good eyeliner for you if you have oily skin or if you have dry skin. So I'll share all my experience in this video with 7 eyeliners. All of them are black eyeliners because I believe most of the girls use black eyeliners. Some of them use colored eyeliners. I personally love using colored eyeliners, but because this is a general video, so I'll be sharing only black eyeliners. I'll be telling you about types of black eyeliners and some of my favorite eyeliners. Now because I have oily skin plus hooded eyes, so one problem I face the most in summers is my eyeliner comes here. Like I apply my eyeliner here and after few hours or few minutes, it depends upon the eyeliner, it comes here. Today I'll be sharing some amazing eyeliners with you guys. Which eyeliner is good for your skin, okay? According to your skin basically. So yeah, now what I have decided today is I'll apply some powder here and I'll apply some oil here so that you guys can also figure it out, like which eyeliner is good for oily skin and which one is good for dry skin. First let me apply compact and oil on my hands so that you guys can also figure it out. So yeah, I'm using this favorite MAC compact and I took it here and I'm gonna apply it here. Okay, I think my camera is focusing. Some more. Okay. Why am I doing so? Because it is little easy to understand how eyeliners work on oily skin and how eyeliners work on dry skin. So I'm just applying oil here. Okay, I hope you guys can see this part is a dry one and this is oily part. So yeah, I have just applied nicely. And now let's start with the videos. The first eyeliner is this Lakme Iconic eyeliner. Now if you have dry skin, then this can work on your skin, of course. See, and this is the oily part, so I'm gonna apply it here. Can you guys see how intense this eyeliner is looking here on the dry skin and how faded it is looking on the oily skin? So the conclusion here is this eyeliner can work on dry skin if you do not have hooded eyes, and if you have oily skin plus hooded eyes, then a big no for this kajal to be used as eyeliner. So I never apply this kajal here as an eyeliner. So this eyeliner is only good for dry skin and not for oily skin and not also for combination skin, okay? Also if you have hooded eyes like me, then big no even if you have dry skin, because it will definitely come here. So avoid using it if you have oily skin, hooded eyes or combination skin. So yeah, now here, before moving to the next eyeliner, I would quickly like to clear one thing that most of you must be thinking, why am I telling you eyeliners according to the skin type? But it is actually important because this part, this eyelid, this part, this is also, sometimes oily, sometimes dry and sometimes combination, depends upon a different person, okay? So which is why it is important to select eyeliner according to your skin type. Now, second eyeliner is this Chambord Carbon Black 101. 101 is the shade number. So yeah, this is amazing for oily skin, but for the people who have normal eyes. So now I'm gonna show you this. First of all, this is proper carbon black, I would say. Now I'm gonna apply it here on this is the dry part, right? Let me shake it, because we should always shake liquid eyeliners before applying. So here I am applying my favorite eyeliner from Chambord. See. And now I'm gonna apply it here on oily skin part. I've applied it here and here as well. This is dry part and this is oily part. So now because this is a liquid eyeliner, it will take some time. So let's wait for a couple of minutes. By the time it dries off, let me tell you one more thing. If you have hooded eyes or if you have oily skin, then avoid using colored pencil eyeliners in summers, because after few minutes or after few hours it will turn into an eyeshadow from an eyeliner. So always avoid using colored eyeliners in summers, else you can't roughly use that eyeliner in summers, because some people sweat a lot, some people have extreme oily skin, some people are very careless, they can do this after applying eyeliners. So now you can see this part is dry and this is oily skin. So this eyeliner will also stay on oily skin very nicely. It will not smudge, but if you have hooded eyes, it will come here. Okay. And for dry skin, this eyeliner is amazing. You can go and buy this. This is a matte finish eyeliner, and if you have dry skin, if you do not have hooded eyes, then you'll definitely thank me later. Okay, so now moving towards the next eyeliner. So the next eyeliner I have is this Kiro eyeliner. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the brand name right. Okay, so now the shade name is Carbon Black again. This is also a deep black eyeliner, and you should always shake all the liquid eyeliners before using. This is actually a pen kind of eyeliner, if you guys can see, right? So this is a pen eyeliner. Now if you have dry skin, go for this. This is best matte eyeliner for dry skin. I'm gonna apply this on oily part and on dry part. See, the third one. Okay, yeah. Now as you guys can see, it is totally smudge proof on dry skin, and it is smudging a little on oily skin. So it will definitely come here if you have hooded eyes. Okay, if you are applying it on oily skin, then by the time you will not touch it, it will stay very properly, very nicely. Nothing will happen, no smudge, nothing. Or by any time you will touch it by your finger or anything, then it will come off. So good for combination skin, normal skin, oily skin, even for oily skin when you have normal eyes and not hooded eyes. Now moving towards my fourth eyeliner. This is LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil. This you can use only if you have dry skin. Even as a kajal, use it only if you have a dry skin, because this is not at all a smudge proof eyeliner. This eyeliner smudges so much. So I think it was mentioned on the packaging that this is a smudge proof eyeliner. I actually don't remember that. So yeah, now oily part, I'm just applying it to show you guys, because I anyway have to show you guys, but there's no point to apply it on oily skin. Okay, and for dry skin, you can also see how faded it is looking. So you can use it as a kajal or smoky eyeshadow only if you have dry skin, and big no for oily skin. Don't use it as an eyeliner even if you have a dry skin. Okay, so yeah. Now the most amazing eyeliner which I loved using in winters and in summers as well. This is totally smudge proof, but again, if you have hooded eyes like me, then it will come little bit here, just a little bit after 5-6 hours, and not before that. So this is one of my favorite eyeliners. This is Color Bar waterproof liquid eyeliner. I don't know the shade name. I think there's only one shade. So yeah, this is amazing. If you have dry skin, you can easily go and buy this. If you have oily skin, then also you can buy this. So this part was the dry part, let it dry, and this part was the oily part. So let it dry and then I'll show you. It does not smudge. Yeah, so it dries very quickly, doesn't take so much of time. It is super matte, super black eyeliner, one of my favorite eyeliners. So now I can show you, this is not smudging at all. This is a dry part and you guys can see this eyeliner is amazing. An oily part, you can see this one isn't smudging. The one which is smudging is this, okay, the first one which I showed you, I think, and this one isn't smudging. So for oily skin people, this is amazing, and for hooded eyes people, this is again amazing. For at least 5 to 6 hours, it will not come here, because one day I came from outside and directly went to the gym, and trust me, this eyeliner was there as it was when I applied it. So yeah, it works wonderfully for good 5 to 6 hours. So you can give it a try, and smudge proof, waterproof and everything. Now this is again a pen eyeliner from Wet n Wild. If you have, let me first show you this one, okay. So this is oily skin part and this is dry skin. So I'm gonna apply it here, okay, and I'm gonna apply it here on the dry part. This is like a sketch pen, so you can easily use it, but you can see this is not that much deep. This is okay kind of eyeliner. This is, you know, a faded kind of black. So if you guys like a very light look of eyeliner, like some people like very deep black eyeliners and some of the girls like you know, little faded eyeliners. So if you are the one from the second category, you can go for this, but only if you have dry skin. This is not for oily skin, not even for combination skin, and a big no for the people who have hooded eyes. So avoid using it if you have hooded eyes, oily skin or even combination skin. You can only use it if you have dry skin plus normal eyes and not hooded eyes, okay. Now let me just show you how it smudges. So it is not smudging on the dry skin part, you guys can see, but yet it is fading a little, right? See, so it is coming on my finger, so which means this is not 100% smudge proof. And now if I'll show you this part which is oily skin, you guys can see it is coming out, right? You guys can see this. So avoid it if you have oily skin or combination skin or normal skin. Now coming to the last eyeliner, which is my favorite eyeliner and the one which I am wearing right now. This is amazing. This one is Maybelline Hyper Gloss Liquid Eyeliner. This is super affordable. This is smudge proof, 100% smudge proof. Sorry, this is 100% smudge proof. This eyeliner stays for good 10 hours, I believe. If you have dry skin, go for it. If you have oily skin, then definitely go for this. Now only drawback for some people about this eyeliner is this is glossy eyeliner and not matte one, right? So if you are someone who can wear glossy eyeliners or who love to wear glossy eyeliners, then go for this. If you are a person who like matte eyeliners, then try this Color Bar eyeliner or this Chambord eyeliner. Both of these eyeliners are good if you are looking for a matte eyeliner. Now there is one more eyeliner which I don't have right now. That one is from Lakme, the normal Lakme glass bottle. That eyeliner I think is for just 150 or 100 rupees. That is also very good eyeliner for dry skin people and combination skin people. But for oily skin people, no for that eyeliner, because that also comes here. This is amazing. I'll quickly show you. So yeah, this is oily part. This is the dry part. See, this one is this Maybelline one, and here this one. This is a kind of tattoo eyeliner. Some of the eyeliners which I used earlier were like we can just pull it off like a sticker. This is not that kind of eyeliner. This is normal tattoo glossy eyeliner, I would say. And tattoo doesn't mean it will keep a black mark on your eyes when you remove it. You can remove it very easily with any makeup remover, but by the time you will not remove it, it will be there on your eyes for sure. Okay, for at least good 12 hours, I believe. 10 to 12 hours. Like if you have applied it in morning and you are going to the gym in evening and you are sweating and whatnot, this will stay. Okay, so this is super affordable. This is actually my favorite eyeliner. I get so many DMs about foundations, about compacts, about eyeliners, about kajals, about makeup sprays, like which one is good, which one is not good. So I decided to tell you guys what all eyeliners you can choose according to your skin. So yeah, let me know in the comment section what next you guys want to see. If you guys want me to film a video for foundations, for concealers, for lipsticks, for anything, you can tell me in the comment section down below. I know this video is a little longer video, but thank you for watching this video till end. And yeah, if you have any further queries, if you want to know about any other eyeliner, then DM me or on Instagram, or you can comment down below this video. If you guys like this video, then please smash the like button. See this, please, after seeing this, at least you have to smash the like button. Okay, jokes apart, if you guys like this video honestly, then please smash the like button. And if you are new to my channel, if you're watching my video for the first time, please visit my channel. And if you would like to watch me more, or if you guys want to give any suggestions, anything, you are welcome. You can subscribe to my channel. You can also press the bell icon right next to the subscribe button and select all to get the notification whenever I post a new video. So yeah, that's all. Keep smiling, keep shining, do good, be good, and so yeah, that's all. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.